Hey cousins, if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey, what's up cousins? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Unique, and in today's video I actually teamed up with Shake and Go, aka Freetress, to bring you this hair tutorial on this gorgeous hair. Yeah, the hair is really bomb and it was so easy to install. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking, but I am gonna tell you that they did send me 8 bags of the Freetress Junior GoGo Curl hair in the color 1B, and pretty much I used 7 bags in total with a few strands left over from that 7th bag. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I'm gonna let the video speak for itself, so let's jump right into it. This hair is from the Freetress short braid series, the Freetress Junior Curl. Basically, this is the GoGo Curl in 9" This series also includes the Water Wave 9" and Boho Kinky in 9". So let's jump into the braid pattern for this look. With this look, I actually did 14 braids in the front and 7 braids in the back. I want you to pay attention to how I did my braids, because pretty much the way I installed this, I wanted to have a side part. I already knew I was going to do a side part only with this look. So instead of a straight braid to the back, I actually curved 3 of the braids, because I knew one of those curved braids is going to be hanging on the smaller side and the other side for the side part. And then towards the back of the hair, and you all, that is oil sheen that's on my hair. That is not any flakes or anything like that, but that's oil sheen that you see on my hair. But for the back, I also had 7 braids, and pretty much I just combined multiple braids into one braid. Now let's get into the install of the hair. With this hair texture is very silky. It's not like it's extremely rough or like Marley hair or anything like that. This hair is extremely silky and soft. So usually with my crochet installs, I always do 1 knot. With this hair, I recommend you doing at least 2 to 3 knots to make sure that the hair is secure. Because with 1 knot, that hair will slip out. You'll see just how I'm trying to tighten it and it's already slipping. When I switch to the other side, I actually take one of those out just so you can see with 1 twist exactly what it does. It comes right out with no problems. So what I did was I actually did 2 knots. So you would take the crochet hook through, and you're going to take the hair strand, close it, pull it through, take it up, close it, pull it through, and that gets you 2 knots. Like I said, I would recommend 2 to 3 knots to make sure that the hair is secure. If you need more, then go for it. And yes, this hair can be split. For this look, I personally did not split the hair. I used the strands as whole. And you can go back and tighten these as you see fit. Now that bigger braid that was in the front of my braid pattern, I filled that up just the same as I did any of the other braids, except for when I got to the part where I knew that my side part would be. Because with that bigger braid, you would think that you would add more hair to it, but you really don't necessarily have to, because when you get to the part where you feel like that your side part is going to be, you're going to fill that up as much as you can, and it's going to cover it. Now when you're doing the layers or the braids where your side part is going to be, if you choose to do the side part, or if you do a middle part, any part where you're going to be, you're going to do the invisible method, which is when you pull the hair through, you only knot one side of the hair. And with this hair being so silky and curly, it's going to bunch up and it's going to cover those knots. So you take the crochet needle in, and I'm going to slow this down for you. Pick one of the strands, and the same method that you use to knot it twice, you're going to take the hair into the crochet hook, pull through, hook, pull through, hook, and pull through. Now once you knot that other strand, you take it over the top of it. And that's going to cover the knots. And pretty much once this gets done, you'll see how all those strands at the top of my head basically were covered from the invisible method. And I did the same thing on the other side. Where the part was, you want to make sure that you're going in the direction that you're, basically insert your needle in, coming from the direction that your hair will be laying. And y'all, sometimes it's a struggle, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody ain't perfect. Sometimes you might struggle when you switch those sides, but you will get it. Just take your time and pull it through. Once I finish with the top, I actually moved to the back of the head. And in the back of the head, I did mostly 2 to 3 knots on each strand. I didn't have to install a whole bunch of hair because we always start in the front of the head. That way you can make sure your front is as full as you want to, because the front will cover up the back of the head. And y'all, pretty much that is pretty much it. This is a very, very easy install. It took me maybe about, because I was watching TV and stuff, maybe about 3 to 4 hours to install all of the hair. There was no prep time like usual. Pretty much take the hair out the pack and you install it into the head. Very easy, very fluffy, very easy to maintain. Like I said, you can also separate the curls, but for me, I chose not to separate the curls because I just wanted mine to go in whole. They are easy to separate and the hair is very soft. All right, cousins, that's pretty much it. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for watching. And I really appreciate all the comments and all the love you all show to my videos. I hope I provided all the information. That's pretty much it, y'all. Everything will be in the description box below. Also, comment below if you've tried this hair or if you're thinking about trying this hair. Also, I think that's pretty much all I got to say, y'all, because I'm rambling. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That information will be in the description box as well as right here. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time.